Good evening to everyone. This is the Power of Healing with Utami Ungowe Ketelo. I actually didn't plan to make this video, ne? But circumstances pushed me to, or situations put me to, placed me in a position where I had to record. I had to say something. We all in this shock about stories Sibusiso Lawrence. Ne? I think the country is in shock. We are in shock. And also with that shock comes pain, of 2 lives being lost. Angikho lapho ke kunento engifuna ukukhuluma ngayo. I was going through videos and ama comments abantu about the whole situation of stories kaSibusiso. But I came one particular video which I'm going to share in link yakhona good description yami. I think I'm going to share that either good description, kuma details. Just go through, browse through. I will share that link. I want you guys to listen to this link. This link made me feel somehow, and listening to each and every word that this person is saying led me to making this video. Ukulalela ivideo yalo yabhuti ikungenze ukuthi ngiyenze le video. Guys, sihlale sikhuluma ngeziphiwo, sikhuluma ngezithunywa. But we've never discussed izithunywa eziphilayo esiphila nazo. We've always discussed topic yezithunywa njengento engabonwa eba kumuntu noma umoya ongena kumuntu. But then kunale esingayazi yezithunywa esiphila nazo eziyinyama. Guys, umuntu nomuntu umbulelwe something empilweni yakhe. Umuntu, each and every one of us, umuntu nomuntu khona obiziwe, khona ombulelwe something empilweni yakhe, khona ombulelwayo, khona othunywayo. We all have gifts. When I was studying poetry, there are some poems or inkondlo beyibhalwa abantu that when you read it, it also almost feels like kunomuntu okhulumayo behind it. And this is what happened to me when I listened to inkondlo this guy. Kunomuntu othi mawumlalela bese uyabona or uyafila, angazi noma mhlambe part of iphiwe esinazo, uzwe ukuthi akusakhulumi yena uqobo lwakhe kodwa sekukhuluma lo muntu amkhulumelayo. Angazi noma niyathola. So lo muntu uthunyiwe ukuthi akazodlulisa lo mlayezo. Ngishiswe yini lento when I lost my daughter ngo-2020. I think in 2021 somewhere late, my nephew sent me a poem eyayenze umuntu. Bekungathi my daughter is actually talking to me. I listened to that and I got healed because it felt like each and every word felt like umntanami. The way ngangimazi ngakhona, the construction of the words, the construction of the message, bekungathi kukhuluma yena uSiya. So as I'm listening to the poem yalo bhuti ye link le ngiyifakile lezansi, for me it feels like Sibusiso is trying to send a message. For me it doesn't feel like lo bhuti uyoyikhuluma kodwa uthunyiwe ukuthi akayikhulume lento. Because come to think of it, how do you know how to construct each and every word into ukuthi ihambisane ibe umyalezo ozwakalayo thile the words? Guys, kunabantu abathunyiwe who are not aware ukuthi bathunyiwe ngaleso sikhathi. People believe umuntu mayisehambile emhlabeni akakwazi ukuyikhulumela kanti umuntu uyakwazi. People believe umuntu maye sehambile, the minute ehamba emhlabeni inyama nomphefumulo uhlukene sekuphelile, kanti akukapheli. I made a video and I said umuntu uthatha 40 days before umoya uzokhuphuka, before umoya uzohlukaniselwa, mhlambe masisho kanjalo. Now kunezikhathi lapho umuntu still has to complete certain things before umoya wakhe udlula. I think I've mentioned this, I think when I did a video about AKA. Guys, umuntu akavele nje ahambe kuthuleke. Never. Umuntu akahambi especially kunezinto ekusafaneka ayilungise. So sinabantu ke labantu esithi bayithunywa eziphilayo, and that thing akabi isithunywa sanoma ubani, kuba randomly, and they not even aware. Uba umuntu ongathi uselectiwe at that moment for the particular assignment. Izinto singakhuluma ngeyiphiwo, guys, but it will take us some years or some time to understand yini isiphiwo. Umuntu ophilayo noma umuntu uwembathiswe amandla ngeyigaba ezihlukene, simbathiswa amandla ngeyigaba ezihlukene. Hence I always say mawungayazi ungayicriticize. So I was listening to this. I want you guys to listen to it, and then bese niyangitshela ukuthi niyayizwa lento engizwa, because it all for me it felt uSibusiso beke idlulisa le message, and I so wish that the message actually reaches the families. So it is just said that siba boxed into how we feel at a moment where something is happening. Singabe sisabona ama signs, singabe sisazwa nama messages that are coming with a certain lento in situation. Siba so focused. I was looking at comments after I've heard the video, and I could tell ukuthi wonke umuntu olaphayana who commented on the video akayizwi message, akayitholi kahle ukuthi iphumaphi, ukuthi the roots of the message ziphumaphi. Yazi kumnandi kuba umuntu womoya, ngoba kuba nezinto okwazi ukuzihlaziya abantu abangakwazi ukuzihlaziya nobangakwazi ukuziqonda nokuyibona. Into engiyithanda ngokuba umuntu womoya, kunezinto abantu abangakwazi ukuyihlaziya nokuyibona wena ozoyibona. I spoke about the 4 clairs of psychic, clairvoyant, clairaudience. I spoke about those things in one video. We need to understand that those are gifts. But we also need to understand ukuthi kuneyithunywa esiphila nazo. Kuneyithunywa esiphila nazo, kunabantu abambulelwe esiphila nabo, kunabantu kusazoba nezinto sisesikhathini lapho everything is being revealed to us. Ayisekho into esingathi thina yasithusa noma asiyazi noma siqala ukuyibona ke le. Yonke into iyambulwa manje. Yiphiwo ziyambulwa, dark spirits ziyambulwa, people who pretend to be what they're not, people who do things ngezinto ezithize, powers, fake powers, yonke into iyambulwa manje. So why not iphiwe ehlukahlukene? So I didn't feel like making or I didn't plan on making the video, but I understood the assignment behind that guy, and I so wish that he gets to hear my video so that azowazi ukuthi bekethunyiwe, so that azoqonda ukuthi bekethunyiwe. It was an assignment. That poem that he wrote was an assignment. Thank you very much, guys, and I do hope that you enjoy your Christmas, as well as the beginning of the new year. May abantu abadala keep you safe always and keep you blessed and humble as well. Ngiyabonga.